Hello, my name is Edward Jones, and I'm about to show you a demonstration of the driest and healthiest sanitary napkin in the world, Cherish by Inspire Network. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the bell below for updates and notifications, and contact me. My contact information is below. Thank you. And also you can get more information at wetdrytest.com. Let's begin. Now, for whatever reason, and these things do come up, these two ladies had to wear these sanitary napkins all day long, 8 hours. No changing every hour, no changing when they felt like they needed to change. Circumstances arise. So when those circumstances arise, how do you want to feel? Of course, you want to feel dry and comfortable. Let me tell you something about this leading brand X right here. In its manufacturing process, it gives off harmful chemicals. Those chemicals cause such things as breast cancer, ovarian cancer, fibroids, tumors, and other harmful conditions. Cherish by Inspire Network does not give off any of those toxic byproducts. Now what I'm going to do is go forward with the dryness test. I'm going to take an ordinary paper towel, place it on the leading brand, and press. Look at there. Just what women expected. Absolutely soaked. This is why a woman has to change 3, 4, 5, 10 times a day, because what's supposed to be a heavy duty 8 to 10 hour pad just does not hold the liquid. Now I'm going to take another paper towel and place it on Cherish by Inspire. I'm going to press and press and press. Look at there. Dry. Completely dry. Now if you were a woman, and for the women that are out there, if you had a choice between what's out there and what Inspire Network has for you, which would you choose? Of course. So that's why I say, do you really care about your women? Will you let them know that this is out there on the market? If you need information, call me. My number is 336-405-3875. My name is Edward Jones. Or you can email me, edwardjones2, that's edwardjones2 at yahoo.com. I'll put the information down here in the video below as well. Now what I want to do is, I want to show you the different layers of both products. So we're going to start with the leading brand, the top layer, that coarse, rough top layer I told you about. That irritating feeling that women get. This top layer is nothing more than a synthetic plastic, a rayon. Can you hear that? It's plastic. That's why it causes irritation. That's why it's rough. The next layer, this is nothing more than a piece of paper with blue dye on it. They call this part of their absorbency system. When the blue dye gets wet, it can run off and bleed and go back into your system, ladies. So now you have this bloodstream as well. Absolutely terrible. Now this part here, ladies, you're going to be amazed at this. Outraged even. This is the absorbency system of the leading brand. This here is nothing more, are you ready, than cardboard boxes, old newspapers, magazines, chopped up, sent through an 8-stage bleaching process so it could turn white. That's all this is, recycled trash. And that 8-stage bleaching process causes a byproduct called dioxin. Dioxin is a carcinogen worse than cyanide. What I'm going to do is, I have 2 cups of water here. And as you can see, one has more liquid in it than the other. This has less, this has more. The one with the least amount of liquid, we'll put that next to brand X. The one with the most amount of liquid goes next to Cherish by Inspire. I'm going to take this leading brand's absorbency system, this chopped up newspaper that women are having to deal with, and put it in the brand with the least amount of water. Now this bottom layer, ladies, gentlemen, this is nothing more than a plastic bag. Look, you hear that? Look how it stretches. It's a plastic bag. This is the same type of trash bag that you would get from the discount store or the grocery store. And what this does is, it's sitting in your most private area, holding back blood, blood clots, urine. That is a perfect breeding ground for what? Bacteria. That's absolutely right. That's why women get urinary tract infections and other things and have to take medicines such as diflucan and things like that to clear up their infection.